Namaskar. I am glad to be speaking to you on the occasion of India Construction Festival being organized by Fast Construction Council. I am aware that the appreciable work is being done by Fast Construction Council as an infrastructure sector think tank in promoting the growth of construction sector and creating platform to bring all stakeholders together. Friends, Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi has given a clarion call for making of an Atmanirbhar Bharat. An Atmanirbhar Bharat is a strong Bharat with a robust manufacturing sector, self-reliant, yet globally integrated economy. Building next generation infrastructure is a crucial element to achieve the goal of an Atmanirbhar Bharat. National Steel Policy 2017 was issued by the government with the objective to make our country self-reliant in all types of steel as well as making Indian steel industry globally competitive. Ministry of Steel is continuously making efforts to enhance steel production capacity domestically and at the same time increase domestic demand of use of steel. Steel industry plays an important role in the timely and environmentally sustainable growth of the building and construction and infrastructure development sectors, which are crucial for India to become a $5 trillion economy. The recently announced 103 lakhs crore investment plan by government for infrastructure development over the next 5 years and various flagship schemes such as Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana, development of smart cities, Swachh Bharat Mission, Bharat Mala Mission, dedicated freight corridor, high-speed corridors, etc. will definitely increase the consumption of steel in the construction and infrastructure development sector. Despite being the world's second largest producer of steel, India's annual per capita steel consumption is 1/3 of the global average. Hence, there is an excellent opportunity for India to increase its steel consumption and avail advantages of greater steel uses, such as reduced life cycle cost, increased durability, and greater environment sustainability. Ministry of Steel has launched a collaborative branding campaign, Ispati Irada, with the object of promoting appropriate steel uses in the country. The same to leverage steel as an easy-to-use, environment-friendly, cost-effective, affordable, and strength-giving material. Our key government mission, including those in the social sector such as Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana, Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana, will also have a positive bearing on driving the steel industry and bringing greater strength to the society. We are also focusing on giving impetus to exports and reducing imports. The DMISP policy of ministry has resulted in steel import substitution to the tune of 20,000 crore. We have come up with a steel import management system to maintain database of steel imports, which will be helpful in future planning. Indian steel sector is seeking to fulfill all the domestic requirements and also emerge as a major players at the global stage. I appeal to all of you involved in the construction industry to raise awareness on the need of greater steel uses. I am sure the deliberation taking place in this festival will be useful in enhancing awareness and driving the steel intensity. I again compliment Fast Construction Council for organizing this festival and bringing together all stakeholders and construction sector for fruitful deliberation. In COVID times and with upcoming festivals, I also appeal to all of you to contribute to the Jan Abhiyan initiated by Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi on ensuring COVID appropriate behavior. To ensure social distancing, avoid large gatherings, ensure hand hygiene and make others around you also aware. Remember, जब तक दवाई नहीं तब तक ढिलाई नहीं. जय हिंद.